Hi friend, welcome to my MathClub channel. In today's video, I will explain to you the practice set 8.2 in the trigonometric chapter. This is a very simple example, so watch the full video. Now the first example is in the following table a ratio is given in each column. Find the remaining two ratio in the column and complete the table. Now this is the given table. फर्स्ट आपल्याला दिलेला आहे कॉस थिटा इज इक्वल टू 35/37 आणि आपल्याला साइन थिटा आणि टॅन थिटाची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. नाव वी नो दॅट द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटी साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल टू द 1. नाउ इन दिस केस वी नो दॅट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द कॉस थिटा इज 35/37. देन पुट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ धिस इन धिस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटी मीन्स दिस हे व्हॅल्यू कॉस थिटा इज इक्वल टू 35/37 या ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटीमध्ये पुट करायची. तेव्हा आपल्याला मिळते साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा प्लस 35/37 whole square is equal to the 1. Now after the solving this, then we get sin square theta is equal to the 1 minus 1225 upon 1369. By squaring this we get 35 चा स्क्वेअर मिळते आपल्याला 1225 and 37 चा स्क्वेअर मिळते 1369. Then by solving this, then we get 1369 minus 1225 upon 1369. then 1369 मधून 1225 मायनस केल्यानंतर आपल्याला मिळते 144 अपॉन 1369. देन साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल टू द 144 हे 12चा स्क्वेअर आहे आणि 1369 हे 37चा स्क्वेअर आहे. देन वी राईट दिस साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल टू द 12/37 होल स्क्वेअर. देन टेकिंग स्क्वेअर रूट then we get the sin theta is equal to the 12/37. Then we know that the value of the sin theta is equal to 12/37 and the cos theta is equal to the 35/37. Then we calculate the value of the tan theta. Then we know that the tan theta is equal to the sin theta upon cos theta. Then put this value of the sin theta is 12/37 and the cos theta is 35/37. Then cancel this 37. Then we get 12/35. Then first column we get the value of the sin theta is 12/37 and cos theta we know that it is this value is given 35/37 and the tan theta value. Then we calculate the 12/35. Now in the second case, second column we know that the value of the sin theta is 11/69. Then we calculate the value of the cos theta and tan theta. Then by applying the trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to the 1. Then we know that the value of the sin theta is 11/61. Then put this value in this trigonometric identity. Then we get the 11/61 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to the 1. Then solving this cos square theta is equal to the 1 minus 121 upon 3721. Then by squaring this 11 चा स्क्वेअर 121 and 61 चा स्क्वेअर 3721. Then by solving this, then we get the 3721 minus 121 upon 3721. Then we get the 3600 upon 3721. then this 3600 हे 60चा स्क्वेअर आहे आणि 3721 हे 61 चा स्क्वेअर आहे. देन वी राईट धिस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ धिस 60/61 होल स्क्वेअर बाय अप्लाइंग. देन बाय टेकिंग द स्क्वेअर रूट then we get the cos theta is equal to the 60/61. Then we know that the value of the sin theta 11/61 and the cos theta is 60/61. Then we calculate the value of the tan theta. Tan theta we know that sin theta upon cos theta. Then put this value, then we get the 11/60. Hence we find the value of this cos theta and tan theta in the second column. Already we know that the value of the sin theta is 11/61. Then we write the cos theta is 60/61 and tan theta is 11/60. Hence, in the third column, we know that the value of the tan theta is 1. Then we calculate the value of the sin theta and cos theta in the third column. Then tan theta is equal to the 1. We write tan theta is equal to the sin theta upon cos theta is equal to the 1 upon 1. नाव आपल्याला sin theta आणि cos theta ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे, म्हणून implies sin theta is equal to k and cos theta is equal to the k. Now the trigonometric identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to the 1. Now put the value of this sin theta and cos theta, then we get the k square plus k square is equal to the 1. Now this k square plus k square is equal to the twice k square is equal to the 1. K square is equal to the 1 by 2. By shift this 2 here, then we get then taking a square root, then we get the k is equal to the 1 upon root 2. Then sin theta is equal to the k, then is equal to the 1 upon root 2. We get the value of this k. K means sin theta or k means this cos theta. Then we find the value of the sin theta and cos theta is 1 upon root 2. Then fourth column is we know that the fourth column the value of the sin theta is 1 upon 2. Then we find the value of the cos theta and tan theta in the fourth column. Then trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to the 1. Then put the value of this sin theta, then we get the 1 upon 2 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to the 1. Now this cos square theta is equal to the 1 minus 1 upon 4 means by squaring this, then we get 1 upon 4. Then by solving this, the 4 we get the 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to the 3 upon 4. Then cos square theta is equal to the, then we write this 3 upon 4 in this form, root 3 upon 2 whole square means root 3 चा स्क्वेअर केल्यावर आपल्याला 3 मिळते आणि 2 चा स्क्वेअर केल्यावर आपल्याला 4 मिळते. तर आपण अशा फॉर्ममध्ये लिहू शकतो. देन बाय स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ धिस, देन वी गेट द cos theta is equal to the root 3 upon 2. Then we find the value of the tan theta because we know that the value of the sin theta and cos theta. Then we find the value of the tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. sin theta ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती आहे 1 upon 2 आणि cos theta ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे आपण root 3 upon 2. Then 2 get cancel. Then we get the tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. In the fourth column we find the value of the cos theta. Then cos theta, the value of the cos theta is root 3 upon 2 and the value of the tan theta is 1 upon root 3. In fifth column, given the cos theta is equal to the 1 upon root 3, then we find the value of the sin theta and tan theta. Then by using the trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, then put this value of the cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 3 in this identity, then we get the sin square theta plus 1 upon root 3 whole square is equal to the 1. Then by solving this, then we get the sin square theta is equal to the 1 minus 1 upon root 3 means 1 upon 3. Then we get the 3 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to the 2 upon 3. This. Then sin square theta is equal to, then we write this 2 upon 3 in this form, under root 2 upon 3 whole square. Then by taking square root, then we get the sin theta is equal to the under root 2 upon 3. Then we write this under root 2 upon 3 is equal to the root 2 upon root 3. Then we know that the value of cos theta and sin theta, then we find the value of the tan theta. Then put the value of the sin theta is root 2 upon root 3 and the cos theta is 1 upon root 3. Then this root 3 get cancelled, then we get the value of tan theta is root 2. In the fifth column, then we find the value of the cos theta is 1 upon root 3, sin theta is root 2 upon root 3, and tan theta is root 2. In the sixth column, then we know that the value of the tan theta is 21 upon 20. Then we find the value of this sin theta and cos theta. Then tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 21 upon 20. Then implies that we write sin theta is equal to the 21 into k and cos theta is equal to the 20 into k. Now by applying this trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to the 1. Then put the value of this sin theta and cos theta here, then we get 21 k whole square plus 20 k into whole square is equal to the 1. Then by squaring this, then we get the 441 k square plus 400 k square is equal to the 1. By solving this, we get the 841 k square is equal to the 1. Now this k square is equal to 1 upon 841. Then we know that 841 हे 29चा स्क्वेअर आहे, आपल्याला माहीत आहे. आपल्याला अशा प्रकारे लिहिता येते के स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू द 1 अपॉन 29 होल स्क्वेअर. देन के इज इक्वल टू द अंडर रूट 1 upon 29 whole square by square root of this. Then this square root and this square get cancelled, then we get the 1 upon 29. Then sin theta is equal to the 21 into k. Then we find the value of this k is equal to 1 upon 29. Put this, then we get the value of the sin theta is 21 upon 29. Similarly, we get the value of the cos theta. Cos theta is equal to the 20 into k. Then put the value of this 20 into k means 1 upon 29. We get the value of the cos theta is 20 upon 29. Now in the sixth column, we find the value of the sin theta is 21 upon 29 and cos theta is 20 upon 29. In seventh column, we know that the value of the tan theta is 8 upon 15. Then we find the value of sin theta and cos theta. Then tan theta is equal to 8 upon 15. Then tan theta we write the sin theta upon cos theta is equal to the 8 upon 15. Then implies this sin theta is equal to the 8k and cos theta is equal to the 15 into k. Now the using this trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to the 1. Now put this value of the sin theta and cos theta, then we get the 8k whole square plus 50 into k whole square is equal to the 1. Now squaring this, then we get 64k square plus 50 चा स्क्वेअर आपल्याला मिळते 225 k square is equal to the 1. Then adding this, then we get 289 k square is equal to the 1. Now this k square is equal to the 1 upon 289. 289 हे 17चा स्क्वेअर आहे, तर आपल्याला अशा प्रकारे लिहिता येते के स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 17 होल स्क्वेअर. Then taking square root, then we get k is equal to the under root 1 upon 17 whole square. Now this square root and this square get cancelled, then we get k is equal to 1 upon 17. Now put the value of this k in sin theta and cos theta. Then we get sin theta is equal to the 8 into 1 upon 70 is equal to the 8 upon 70 and cos theta is equal to 15 into 1 upon 70 is equal to the 15 upon 70. Now in the 8th column, we know that the value of the sin theta is 3 upon 5 and then we find the value of the cos theta and tan theta. Now using the trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to the 1 we know, and then put the value of this sin theta, then we get the 3 upon 5 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to the 1. Now cos square theta is equal to the, shift this 3 upon 5 whole square here, then we get the 9 upon 25. Then solving this 25 minus 9 upon 25, then we get the 16 upon 25. Then 16 upon 25 हे 4 upon 5 चा स्क्वेअर आहे. Then we write this cos square theta is equal to the 4 upon 5 whole square. Taking square root, then we get cos theta is equal to the 4 upon 5. Then we know that the value of sin theta and cos theta, then we find the value of tan theta, we get the 3 upon 4. Now in the 9th column, we know that the value of tan theta is 1 upon 2 root 2. Then we find the value of this cos theta and sin theta. Then tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta is equal to the 1 upon 2 root 2. Then we write this sin theta is equal to the k and cos theta is equal to the 2 into root 2 into k. Now using the trigonometric identity, then put the value of sin theta and this cos theta, then we get the k square plus 2 into root 2 k whole square is equal to the 1. Then this solving this k square plus 8 means 2 चा स्क्वेअर 4 मिळते आणि रूट 2 चा स्क्वेअर इंटू 2 मिळते आपल्याला. के स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 1. के स्क्वेअर इज प्लस 4 इंटू 2 is 8. K square is equal to the 1. Then we get the 9. K square is equal to the 1. Now k square is equal to 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9 हे 1 upon 3 चा स्क्वेअर आहे. Then under root 1 upon 3 whole square means, then this root 2 square get cancelled, then we get the k is equal to 1 upon 3. Now put the value of this k in this k sin theta, we get the sin theta is equal to 1 upon 3 and the cos theta is 2 into root 2 upon 3. Now in the 9th column, then we find the value of this, then we get the sin theta and cos theta. sin theta is 1/3 and cos theta is 2 into root 3. Now in the 8th column we find the value of the cos theta is 4/5 and tan theta is 3/4. Hence this is the complete table. Now the second question is that find the value of this following. The first we find the value of the 5 sin 30 plus 3 tan 45. Now we know that the sin 30 is 1/2 and the tan 45 is 1, means put the value of this sin 30 plus 3 tan 45. Then sin 30 is 1/2 plus 3 into tan 45 is 1. Then we get 5/2 plus 3 means 5 plus 6/2 means 11/2. In second question we find the value of 4/5 into tan square 60 plus 3 sin square 60. Now in this case we know that the value of the tan 60 is 4/5 into tan 60 is root 3 whole square plus sin 60 is root 3/2 whole square. Then by solving this under root 3 whole square means 3 plus 3, then by square root of this then we get the 3/4. Then solving this we get the 48 plus 45/20. Then we get the value of the 93/20. In the third example we find the value of the 2 sin 30 plus cos 0 plus 3 sin 90. Then 2 sin 30 ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहित आहे 1/2, cos 0 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1 आणि sin 90 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1 plus 3 into 1. Then we get the 1 plus 1 plus 3. Then we get the value of the 5. In the fourth example we find the value of the tan 60 upon sin 60 plus cos 60. Then we know that the value of the tan 60 is root 3. Then value of the sin 60 is root 3/2 plus cos 60 is 1/√2. Then solving this then we get the root 3 plus 1/2. Then shift this 2 here, then we get 2 into root 3/√3 plus 1. Fifth example. In fifth example we find the value of the cos square 45 plus sin square 30 degree. Then we know that the value of the cos 45 is 1/√2 and the sin 30 is 1/2 whole square. Then we by solving this then we get the 1/2 plus 1/4. Then we get the 4 plus 2/8. Then we get the 6/8. Then by solving this then we get the 3 into 2/4 into 2 means 3/2. In the last example we find the value of the cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Now we know that the value of the cos 60 degree is 1/2 into cos 30 degree is root 3/2. Then sin 60 degree we know that the value of the root 3/2 and the sin 30 degree is 1/2. Then solving this then we get root 3/4 plus root 3/4. Then root 3 the numerator चे addition होणार. Then we get the root 3/4. Then we get the root 3/2. सो आय होप तुम्हाला आजचा माझा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.